Guys, I made the most amazing pancakes I think I've ever had. They were so good, and what's even better is that they were super healthy, and they were made with almond flour and bananas, and oh, they were just so good. I will definitely have to share the recipe for you guys, but I just got done filming a video for you guys, so you'll probably see it before this video. I did like some hairstyling stuff. I've been reading this book. I got it a while ago and I just rediscovered it, so I've been reading it again. It is called Glow, and if you guys have never heard of this book, you should definitely check it out if you're into like health and skincare and stuff. It's just really good. It tells you about all different like great foods for your skin and digestive system, so you can have the best glow ever, and I love it. Currently still stuck inside. It is now Thursday. We've been in since Sunday, so it's been like 3 or 4 days, and it's starting to have an ice storm again right now. So I can kind of hear it on the roof, but we might go outside for a walk after it stops. It's just so cold and I hate having to go out there, but it's so pretty. But I love playing in the snow. It's weird because it's not regular snow. It's like hard as a rock, and you can't even build a snowman in it, which is quite depressing. But I think I want to film another video today if I have time. Probably just gonna vlog a little bit today. Not much is going on, obviously, because I can't leave the house. But tonight I'm really excited for dinner. I'm doing a quinoa bowl with like roasted sweet potatoes and chickpeas. I'm just about to finish up some editing real quick on my computer, and then we'll go take a walk. I may or may not bring my camera. I just don't want to slip and fall and bust my butt and then bust the camera open, so we'll see if I bring it or not. Also, real quick, I got bored the other day, so I made a background for my computer, and I'm actually really obsessed with it. It's just with all my favorite people, and my dog, of course, obviously my dog, and it has like space stuff and butterflies and Sleeping Beauty. I don't know, I just think it came out so cute and I'm obsessed with it. So I just made some dinner for me and Beau. I made some bowls, and it's roasted sweet potato, roasted chickpeas, some spinach and arugula, and then it was supposed to be made with quinoa, but I didn't realize I was out of quinoa, so I did basmati rice and then a little bit of a vegan honey mustard on top with olive oil, and Beau's has some chicken on it and mine's just plain without it. And we're about to eat this and watch something on TV, and the snow is really coming down right now. I'll go see if it'll pick up on the camera. Let's see. Hi guys, so it's now the next day. I just put on like 80 layers, literally. It is snowing so heavily, so we're gonna try to go and build a snowman because it's actually snow now. But I just wanted to go ahead and pick up my vlog camera and say hi for today. I have on my North Face jacket. I'm obsessed with it. I got it for Christmas. It is so warm, super cozy. But yeah, I'm gonna go and build a snowman. We went and played in the snow for a bit. I will insert a clip right here of me trying to slide down a hill.
This is the saddest slide I've ever seen.
I'm trying. My butt. Just about to make us some hot tea. And I decided I'm gonna give myself a pedicure because I really want to go get my nails done, but obviously we can't leave the house, so I'm just gonna give myself a pedicure. And I have this purple nail polish, so my toes are about to be beautiful and purple. So while my water's heating up, I'm just gonna do some raspberry leaf tea. This one is so good. It also helps with cramps. That's what I mainly use it for, but it just also has a really good taste, and it tastes amazing with like a little bit of honey in it. Maybe we might watch a movie tonight. I don't know. kind of early in the day. I think it's almost 5 o'clock. I'm gonna get started on dinner in just a bit, and I'm making these, I found this amazing recipe online. It looked outstanding. It is garlic butter turkey meatballs with lemon noodles. Oh, looks so good. So I'll keep you guys updated on how that tastes, and if it's amazing, I will definitely link the recipe down below. But for now, I'm just gonna be making her tea, and this is one of my favorite brands of honey. I just get this at Whole Foods, and it tastes phenomenal. Good morning, guys. So it's now the next morning. It's Friday. I just got out the shower and I'm about to go and make a smoothie for breakfast. I'm just finishing up my coffee right now. I look forward to waking up and drinking coffee every single day. It is the only reason why I want to wake up. Today I'm just gonna be cleaning and organizing my apartment, getting it looking good, and the sun came out today, so hopefully like all the snow and the ice will melt so I can finally leave the house tomorrow. And I filmed a fashion video today, so I'm very excited about that. So yeah, let's go make a smoothie. Guys, this smoothie is so good. It's just banana, apple juice, spinach, pineapple, and peaches. It is amazing. So I just got done filming my video for today that I needed to get done, so I'm just about to go make some lunch. It's like 2 in the afternoon and I am starving.
Hey.
So I just had lunch and I have some of these s'mores bites that I bought during Christmas that I haven't opened. So I'm gonna eat these, and we are playing Call of Duty. I really just want to take Bo down really bad.
Not happening.
It's gonna happen. You wait and see.
But it's never happened.
You wait and see. We did some face masks. We have on the coffee one from Lush, and I talked about into doing it with me. He looks very thrilled.
It's interesting. I've never had a mask on my face before.
You've done this one with me before.
The coffee one?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't remember.
Like years ago.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I have a picture of you with it somewhere. But yeah, we're gonna let this sit, and I told him her skin's gonna be amazing after this, so.
I was up late night ballin', counting up hundreds by the thousand.